So Niranjana, I was just wondering, do you think there will be people who would have some resistance to the very direct and open way of talking of Sree Maa Ji?
Yes, that is very much possible. I do believe so, because if you're not willing to look at the layers of your own ego, then it might offend the ego. Now, it depends on what level are you asking me the question. Are you asking me when you meet people in general, or you're referring to, say, one of the workshops? Now, say every time I've interacted with Sree Maa, or I've gone out with Sree Maa and I've seen Sree Maa operate with people in general, Sree Maa is very polite. Sree Maa will barely will interact with anyone, you know. But if you listen to one of the discourses of Sree Maa, because Sree Maa is talking the absolute truth, it could, how do you say, conflict with certain belief systems that are prevalent in the world. And if a person is not open enough to be able to even listen that there could be something much more deeper than what they already know, they could find it resistant. They could be, they could get a little, how do you say, like a
Stirred.
like stirred. Yeah, that's the word I'm looking for.
Yeah.